Have you ever wondered how far we've come on four wheels? Imagine standing on a quiet country road in the early 1900s, beside a sturdy wooden carriage whose wheels and axles have seen generations of families, dreams, and journeys. Then, everything changes. The familiar rhythm of hooves is replaced by the sputter of an engine. The first car arrives. At first, people are amazed, a little skeptical, even nervous around this rattling, gasoline-powered contraption. But curiosity always wins, and soon, the world is hooked on speed. Each decade rolls in with wild new inventions. Wood gives way to steel, iron turns to chrome. Open-air wagons are reborn as streamlined automobiles. Cities and towns pulse with the roar of engines. Cars become symbols of adventure, freedom, and ambition. Families set off on epic road trips, friends cruise neon-lit city streets, and every generation dreams of something faster, safer, smarter. Today, technology races ahead. Electric vehicles glide in near silence, guided by artificial intelligence that parks, steers, and even navigates without us. What comes next? Maybe flying cars, maybe vehicles that choose adventures for us, or perhaps something we can't even imagine yet. For now, let's celebrate the extraordinary evolution of the automobile, from humble carriage to self-driving electric marvel. Buckle up for a journey through time and innovation.